Good day, Tampa Bay. That's Snowflake hanging out in her cage there. I'm Charlie Belcher, coming to you from Largo this morning, from the SPCA Tampa Bay. That's Marissa up there with just a couple of rabbits hanging out in a bunny cage. Franklin, we don't want to spook Franklin too much because he's a little nervous. He's just checking out surroundings. That's Franklin running around in the cage here with us. Marissa, what do people need to know if I come in and I go, I think I want to have a rabbit in my house? I want to be a pet owner of a rabbit. What do I need to know?
You'd want to know about the lifespan, personality. Rabbits can live to be 8 years old on the lower end and about 12 years old on the higher end. Rabbits are a good pet for kids that are a little bit older. I know a lot of kids are attracted to rabbits and want to have them as pets, but they don't know that they don't really like to be held very much. So they're not very much of a cuddly pet.
Right. It's not like a cat that might sit in your lap and just purr. Some will. Some will. Some rabbits will, but not all of them.
Their favorite place is to be on the ground, so they like to be out and playing, but not necessarily being held. So a kid that's okay with not having a rabbit to be in the lap all the time would be great.
It's kind of their choice.
Yeah, absolutely. They need to have, and they like to chew.
They like to chew on wires.
So whenever they're out of their cage getting their exercise, which should be for about 2 hours a day, they will need to be in a safe place that doesn't have wires and things that are valuable to the family that they're going to get into and really damage, or that they could eat. And they get spooked pretty easily, too, and they do that. They thump and run.
Thump and run.
Yep. For exercising, they need to be in an enclosure, somewhere that's safe in the house.
Hi. Hi there. They're so adorable. I mean, you can see why, especially kids, want them around. I mean, anybody would want them around. But you do have to, I mean, it's like with any pet. You need to know what you're getting into.
Right. And they're a little bit easier to care for than other kinds of animals. They're quiet, so your neighbors aren't going to be worrying about barking. They're pretty easy to clean up after, and they clean themselves, so you don't need to bathe them. Let's see. And they don't bite, so you don't have to worry about...
Yeah, in fact, somebody put on I think Instagrams, a guy named Kurt who posted a bunch of pictures of rabbits. Said rabbits.org is a good place to go, a good website to really learn all about rabbits before you get one home. We know what you're getting into, and some of them can be potty trained. Yeah. But as he said, it's up to the rabbit to train the humans more than the humans training the rabbit. But so there you go. If it's an option, the SPCA Tampa Bay certainly does have a few rabbits. They've also got some mice and gerbils and
gerbils, rats.
People turn those animals in as well, just like dogs and cats. All right, Ann, so there you go. Happy Easter to you. Happy Easter, Ann. And if you want a rabbit, there you go.
All right. Did she say thump and run?
Thump and run.
You know, I'm going to have to remember that technique.
I've seen you do it in the newsroom. I've seen you thump and run.
I love it. Hey, thanks, Charlie.